I think it's safe to say that our luck has officially turned around, guys. We are back, baby. We are f***ing back. We're back.
Alright guys, I'm all loaded up, ready to go. The other guys went ahead of me. I stayed up till like 1:30 in the morning to set up the sled deck. Thanks Anatoly for helping. Time to go to Revelstoke, first ride of the year. I'm so pumped right now.
I got no words. You wanna see what time it is? It's 9:32. Where are we? We're still at the home.
Look at those two guys working on one sled. I just freaking did two things on my sled by myself.
Well, they're doing one.
You just filled up oil in half an hour.
Okay? Hey, shut your mouth.
He changed the belt and he filled up oil.
Yeah,
You guys are
exactly.
installing some screen.
And I pooped. We start off with some sled work. He's got the Voyager on this skidoo. We're on top of the sled deck. Totally.
You made me install this, okay? So shut up.
Any other day.
You made me install it today, okay? It's your fault.
I'm gonna go sit on the couch.
Maybe I need one more zip tie.
Totally, go get the zip ties. I can't reach him.
Tolik Yoshkin kot.
Bye. Dude, these snowflakes are huge! I've never seen bigger snowflakes in my life. No, look at that shit. The biggest snowflakes I've ever seen in my life. Look at this thing. That's insane. It sucks in here, dude. There's no snow. Freaking Revelstoke keeps disappointing. That's doable. Yes. That's actually a good spot for that. You can do a huge one there. Oh, so close. Hey, Tim, I don't know if that's the place to park, dude.
Man, I thought this would happen.
You didn't hold on to it when it was going down?
I was trying to, but it was just too much momentum. It dragged me with it.
That sucks.
Don't look at the cliff.
No, he was up there at the top.
But when it goes down, you gotta look at the... Oh no, everything's... It's a joke. It's a joke when you say, don't look at the trees, because
You're gonna go that way?
Oh, that sucks. Okay, well, so like, I was trying to dig it out, like flat right here. I'm gonna throw all the snow in there.
Well, if we dig this out flat, it's gonna want to go further down. All right, we got Tim out. Not too bad, just looked like an airbox. Wasn't too hard to get it out either, so that's good. Tim's headed back to the truck because he broke his air vent on his skidoo. and he's gonna try to go to Stoke to get that fixed for tomorrow. We're right now trying to drop into this drainage that we've been going to for the past year or so, and at this time when the snow coverage isn't the best, it's a little bit sketchy because it's very steep and the drainage is usually not fully covered. We're gonna go check it out, see how it is, and now we're gonna go play up in this zone that we always hit. It's super fun. Dude, you guys can't tell, but the snow looks like water going around them. That was a fun little drop. Track poaching the whole freaking time, dude. Holy shit, I'm tired. Dude, whatever that was, probably the most I've ever had to work to get up a hill. And it got me so out of breath, like I'm sweating balls right now. It is crazy.
Meanwhile,
Where's the sled? There's no snow. You turned on my camera. You turned on my camera with your elbow.
Sorry.
My monosuit, my main zipper just like ripped open. And how this suit is designed, you can't just put the zipper back on. Sitting here for like an hour with the monosuit wide open, trying to zip it back up. Finally got it. So it's kind of torn, like 5 inches from the top. So I can't zip it up all the way. So I had to zip tie the top. So now I'm running with zip ties and a half open suit. It's nuts how deep it is. Ed, roosting everybody. He already got me. Yeah. baby.
I'm tired.
This is what you have to look out for this early riding. You can't really look out for it. You just kind of
Be ready for it.
just pray.
Literally. Hey, Tall, you want your Christmas tree?
Yeah, I'll take it.
You done messed up, Aaron!
We've been in this drainage for at least 2 hours. It's already 6 o'clock. Alex Sled is staying here. Alan's stuck up there with Anatoly. And we still don't know how to get the hell out of here. Fuel's running low, but morale is high.
Is it?
50-50. I'm so cold, dude. I don't get it. I don't see it. Maybe you just burnt all your coolant out. Just try filling it up. I mean, how? If you were low or some shit, or you tipped it and it leaked out. Pretty bad situation, dude. It's like blizzarding out. Slavic's snowmobile was overheating. Totally ran out of fuel. I'm running out of fuel. Ed's running out of fuel.
No, not yet. I'm chucking the one bike down right now.
I was just driving in here, and every 10 seconds it's too high. Oh, dude, I'm so cold right now. We're out of fuel. We're hiking, boys. Nothing else to do. It's pretty far to the trail. And it's some deep ass snow. I don't know how you're gonna tote them back. And we ran out of water. We can. Plus, it is cooler, so I don't know what to do. What are we doing here, dude? Helicopter out of here or what? That might be an option.
I don't know what else to do. Seems like they're struggling over there.
That's so gay. How you feeling here? Cold. Me too. Little update, guys.
Taking that shortcut, Jared shortcut.
Taking that Jared shortcut didn't really make it too short, eh? So, me, Tolly, Tim, we're able to pull the line, get out. Sled right now got stuck. He's trying to run his sled cold so it doesn't overheat and just make it up to this flat spot so we can come back tomorrow and figure out a way out. But I guess it started bogging or something. And then waiting for Slavic, Ed, and Alan.
We'll be home like around 11.
Yeah, I'll probably be home pretty
Best
late.
case.
For sure. Hell yeah, brother! I think just limp it until you get to the trail and then we can pull it.
Oh, yeah. Well, which way are we going now? Right.
We're going right.
No.
No.
Straight and right.
We're going around. We're totally flipped the sled and on top of him, that's where we're gonna go to.
You make it up?
Yeah, they're both up. I thought for sure I was done.
It's scary because you're like watching and then you're like, where'd they go?
Yeah.
They're gone.
I just freaking was going through these trees, got stuck up there, and then that tree on the left right there hooked my throttle when I was going through it. Hooked my throttle, floors it. I fly off. My left ski falls into the tree hole. I fly forward head first into the snow, like throwing snow out of my face and coughing. I just spent like the last 20 minutes digging this out. My sled was like completely upside down almost. Lift that shit up. Okay. Check that out. His sled just died.
I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna. I'll try.
And
You're gonna start grabbing your fuel.
we finally got back to our original path. We still have a little bit to go. It's a trail up here. Make some progress. Sled is behind us. Tim is right here. He's doing perfect. Show it, Tim. That was the hardest part. I promise from here on, we're good.
I am baby cold. You guys have been saying every hill, you guys have been saying, this is the last uphill. The trail is right above this hill.
Hey, I know a shortcut. Guys, we can hit a shortcut. Easy.
Yeah.
We're over here. Over here. Help! SOS.
Go to your right, down, over here.
They're peeking through the... That's Slavic and Alan. They're peeking through the...
Another light off to the right. I think we see your light. You just gotta go down to your right.
Is it pretty much all downhill from here?
Yeah, it's all trail and downhill. How you doing, Slavic? I'm feeling a lot better now that I don't have to call a helicopter. Made it to the trail. Just downhill from here. Now we got the whoops, though. Shots of apple juice on me.
No.
I'm like, my hands are shaking, like legit. Look at my hands right now. Whoa! Woo!
Made it. I got another 10 miles to go.
We made it to the Revelstoke cabin. It's like 9 o'clock right now. A little over 9. We're gonna set the fire, warm up, and finish the rest of our way. 9 or 10 miles back to the truck. Yay. At least we're not calling helicopters, we're not hiking. We'll be alright. Got 2 meters, dude, on my chin. Dude, look at those things. Rationing here, guys.
Life and death situation. That would have been death right there.
Damn lifesaver, dude.
I told you.
I did. These are like 5 foot whoops. Insane, dude. This one was such a big pain in the ass going down.
Ice, we were pushing the sled every other whoop.
Yeah, I'm so happy, dude. I'm so happy.
Now I need enough fuel to get to the truck.
For real. It's already 10 o'clock, dude. Jeez. Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Never been excited for a group trail in my life like this. For real, dude. I'm so thankful for that freaking groomer. You guys have no idea. This is gonna save us like an hour and a half of time, if not more. I love it. This is a beautiful sight, boys.
Huh? You going riding tomorrow?
Totally, sled died right on the sled deck.
Okay.
Your sled died right on the sled deck.
Yeah, right on the sled deck I died. I had just enough to get up.
Dude, my lips are numb.
Little wet spot.
That last like 2 miles
Dude,
hurt so bad.
the last 2 miles though cooled my sled off completely.
Hey, I don't think your truck's tall enough. Hold on. I see the problem. The scratches are down. That's the problem.
If you're watching this show right now, you might be a tweaker.